Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I am Rathin Datta. Today we will be discussing 4 important terms that we need to know while we study Flywheel. The first one is the maximum fluctuation of energy, and next to that is the coefficient of fluctuation of energy. Then the third one, maximum fluctuation of speed, and the fourth one is the coefficient of fluctuation of speed. So coming to the first one, maximum fluctuation of speed. It is defined as the difference between the maximum energy and the minimum energy of a flywheel. Okay, when I say maximum energy or when I say minimum energy, you can see in the screen, you can see a picture in the screen. Suppose we consider a turning moment diagram of a multi-cylinder engine. Okay, at each point we are finding an energy. At the mean torque line, the energy will be capital E. Okay, and the other things, there will be some negative loop of energy or the positive loop of energy. Depending on it, we can find out the energy at each point A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay, at the point A and G, the first and the last point, since it's touching the mean torque line, the energy will be E. Okay, the capital E. And the other points, it will be E. At the point B, suppose it will be E plus A1, and then at the point C, it will be E plus A1 minus A2 and so on in the other points. Okay, so considering the only addition of energy at the point B, considering the energy at point B, that is EB, as the maximum energy and the minimum energy at EE. Okay, maximum energy at point B and minimum energy at point E. So if we subtract the energy from point B to point E, it will give us the maximum fluctuation of energy, that is delta E max. So delta E max will be E, as you can see in the screen, delta E max will be EB minus EE, and it will give us the rest of the energy that will be left. Okay, so coming to our second term, that is the coefficient of fluctuation of energy. Since we have already found out the maximum fluctuation of energy, if we divide this with the work done per cycle, it will give us coefficient of fluctuation of energy. Are you getting my point? So the coefficient of fluctuation of energy is defined as the ratio of maximum fluctuation energy to the work done per cycle. And in the last video of Flywheel, we have seen the work done per cycle is nothing but the T mean into theta. The theta will depend upon the type of engine. If it is a 2-stroke engine, theta will be 2 pi. If it is a 4-stroke engine, theta will be 4 pi. So your work done will be T mean into theta, and this work done, when you will divide your maximum fluctuation of energy with this work done, it will give you coefficient of fluctuation of energy. So coming to our third term is the fluctuation of speed, maximum fluctuation of speed. When the flywheel gives out energy, it loses the kinetic energy and loses the speed, and whenever it receives energy, the kinetic energy increases and the speed increases. So the difference between the maximum speed and the minimum speed is called as the maximum fluctuation of speed. Okay, so our fourth term, that is the coefficient of fluctuation of speed, is the ratio of this fluctuation of speed to the mean speed. Mean speed is what? Addition of maximum speed to the minimum speed divided by 2. So the coefficient of fluctuation of speed will be what? It will be the ratio of maximum fluctuation of speed to the mean speed. Thank you so much for watching, for liking and subscribing my content. Thank you once again. Bye bye.